Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I am Rumaila and today's video is going to be an exciting one because I'm going to share with you guys what I eat in a day on a diet. So क्या हुआ सिंस अ फ्यू मंथ्स नाउ आई हैव बीन जस्ट हॉगिंग एंड हॉगिंग एंड हॉगिंग मेरा अच्छा खासा वेट कम हुआ था इन द स्टार्ट ऑफ दिस ईयर एंड देन आई डोंट नो क्या हुआ आई वेंट टू केरला एंड देन इट वाज माय कजिन्स वेडिंग एंड देन माय कजिन्स केम हियर टू पुणे एंड देन वी जस्ट बीन ईटिंग फिर आयशा वाज लीविंग सो उस केस में हमने बहुत ज़्यादा बाहर खाया and all of that led to so much weight gain. So you know, I really wanted to put myself on a diet and see how it works. Now I am not promoting this kind of a diet, but I just want to share with you guys what I ate and how my journey went. So I am going to eat this exact same diet for 10 days and I'll see how much weight we can lose. Also I have to admit that this is kind of a boring diet क्योंकि 10 days के लिए तुमको एक ही खाना खाना है like it's the same food for 10 days straight, which can get a little boring and monotonous. Some people might give up in 3-4 days, but I want to challenge myself and see how this works out. Also it is 8 in the morning, but ऐसे लग रहा है कि शाम में because it is pouring outside. इतने दिन से तो बारिश हो ही नहीं रही थी, but आज इतनी ज़्यादा बारिश हो रही है. That's why I had to switch on my lights in the room and yeah, without too much blabbering, let's go and see what I eat in a day. So this is my weight on the first day of the diet, 59.4 kgs, which is the heaviest I've ever been. And this is the first thing that I have in the morning when I wake up. Just a glass of warm water with 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and half a lime, and just mix it. Okay, so it's time for the first thing that I have when I wake up. Usually I have this around 7 a.m. But today is a Saturday and I woke up late, so I'm having this around 8:45. But yes, water, chia seeds and लेमन. अगर तुमको लेमन का फ्लेवर नहीं पसंद है, अगर सुबह लेमन नहीं जमता है कुछ लोगों को, व्हाट यू कैन हैव इज ट्यूमरिक वाटर. सो यू जस्ट हैव टू बॉईल सम वाटर विथ ट्यूमरिक. आधा आधा भी नहीं, वन फोर्थ भी नहीं एक्चुअली, 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric and a little bit of pepper. Let it boil and then let it cool and you can drink if you want. मतलब एकदम cool भी नहीं होना चाहिए, it should be a little warm, but of course not hot. You can't drink it hot, वो flavor इतना अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So yeah, I'm just going to drink this. I really like the flavor of lemon, तो मैं ये प्रेफर करती हूँ, बट मैं दोनों भी पीती हूँ. I've had that as well and I've had this as well. And वैसे तो मुझे इतना फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. I like to have both. I switch जब मूड नहीं है खट्टा कुछ पीने का, then I have the turmeric one. And when I'm not in a mood to have the turmeric one, I'll have this. So yeah, in case you guys are wondering why chia seeds in the morning, why turmeric water in the morning, of course I am not an expert in all of this, but from what I know is both of these are really great for gut health and they also aid in weight loss. So that is why it is advised to have this first thing in the morning and then you can move on to have your breakfast. So yeah. So it's almost 9:30 right now and I am a little hungry. So let's go and see what I have for breakfast. So it's breakfast time and I have with me some cucumber, dates and chai. Now if you are someone who doesn't drink chai, you can have an apple, like an apple, cucumber and some dates. You can also blend it with some water and have it like a smoothie, but I prefer to have this raw because मुझे चाय पीना रहता है. So this is what I typically have for breakfast. मुझे ये बस हो जाता है. A lot of people might think ये काफ़ी कम है, but this really keeps me satiated till lunchtime. Also this chai is शुगर फ्री. ओके, इसमें मैंने बिल्कुल शुगर नहीं डाला है. एक्चुअली दिस होल डाइट इज एडेड शुगर फ्री. लंच में भी मैंने थोड़ा सा ऑल्ट्रेशन किया बिकॉज आई वॉन्टेड टू मेक दिस कम्प्लीटली शुगर फ्री, लाइक एडेड शुगर फ्री, बिकॉज मैं डेट्स खा रही हूँ इन द मॉर्निंग. आई कैन स्किप दिस, सम डेज आई स्किप इट, सम डेज आई हैव इट. आज मूड था, आज थोड़ा लो एनर्जी लग रहा था, तो आई एम हैविंग द डेट्स. वरना आई जस्ट हैव सम स्लाइस ऑफ cucumber एंड सम चाय विदाउट शुगर. So that is it for my breakfast. Not the best meal, I must say, but I'm trying to lose weight, इसलिए चलता है. I would give this whole thing taste में around 5.5 or maybe 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 because this चाय में भी मैं usually sugar कम ही लेती हूँ, तो no sugar वाला चाय भी I'm not I don't hate it, I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's okay for me. So this whole meal will be like 6 on 10. So it is finally lunch time. Actually it's way past lunch time. आज थोड़ा late हो गया because I was shooting a few videos for my Instagram and also YouTube. That's why I had this full face of makeup on. I shot a few beauty videos. Yeah, so that is it. It is almost 3 right now and I am starving. आज थोड़ा ज़्यादा काम कर लिया, थोड़ा लेट भी हो गया, that's why I'm hungry. सुबह सिर्फ चाय पिया था, as you guys know. So yeah, let's go and see what I have for lunch. टाइम फॉर लंच. एक्सक्यूज़ मी अगर बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़ ज़्यादा आ रहा है, मैं बाहर बैठी हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द वेदर टुडे. इट्स ग्लूमी बट इट्स नॉट वेरी ग्लूमी टू द पॉइंट कि सैड फील हो. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल वेदर, तो आज बाहर बैठने का मन हुआ. एंड माई लंच इज़ हियर, 1 चपाती विद एग्स एंड 1 एप्पल. It's really nice because I like my boiled eggs to be a little custardy. और आज एकदम परफेक्ट बने हैं, मॉम ने बनाया, बहुत ही परफेक्ट बना है. सो आई एम लविंग द टेक्सचर, रियली लाइक द टेस्ट ऑफ दिस एज वेल. अच्छा है, खा सकती हूँ मैं. इट्स बिन 3 days that I'm eating this and I'm not bored of it. Like it's really nice. It's a very comforting kind of a taste. Love it. I also have an apple here. I really love these apples. I don't know what they're called. Fuji, I guess. मुझे exactly नहीं पता. Sorry if I'm wrong, but I really love these apples जो बहुत ज़्यादा crunchy होते हैं. They're very fresh. I don't like the soft apples. मुझे इतने ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है. ठीक है, खा सकती हूँ. But these are the apples that I really love. इनका जो पील होता है that's also pinkish in color, not dark red. maroon जो कलर होता है वो नहीं होता है. इनका pinkish होता है, pinkish red. which that's how you know कि ये apples बहुत ज़्यादा yummy होते हैं. So if you want to try these exact apples, ये देख के ले. Okay, so I would rate this lunch a 7 out of 10. This was the only meal that I didn't get bored of. And in the evening, I went out for a haircut and then ended up in a cafe with my cousin and of course Inaya. I didn't plan to do this because I was on a diet, but I somehow ended up in a cafe and I had what I usually have for my evening snack, and that is black coffee. I sometimes have it cold, sometimes have it hot. Since I went to the cafe, I had it cold and it was too strong for my liking. इनाया कैसा लगा? कैसा था ये? अच्छा लगा? ठीक है, पियो. रफसा अप्पू वाला पियो, अप्पू वाला देखो. इनाया अप्पू वाला पियो. कैसा है? कौन सा अच्छा है? अप्पू वाला अच्छा है. Okay, so I got back home half an hour ago. It's almost 7:30 right now, and मुझे थोड़ी सी भूख लग रही है, ज़्यादा नहीं. मैंने ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पिया था. It keeps me full for long. पता नहीं उसका क्या science है, but black coffee does keep me full for like 2 hours almost. But I try to have my dinner early, क्योंकि बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि डिनर जल्दी करना चाहिए, especially when you're on a diet. So I try to wrap up my dinner by 8 o'clock. It's 7:30 right now. I'm going to go in the kitchen and make my dinner. This is the most exciting meal for me, like, in this diet, because it's spicy, it's tangy, बहुत ज़्यादा flavors. It's a very simple dish, but it does keep me full, and it has a lot of veggies जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I make for dinner. Let's go in the kitchen. So for dinner I have masala oats, and I am adding lots of veggies in this. जो भी फ्रिज में वेजीज होते हैं मैं वो सारा कुछ डाल देती हूँ थोड़े थोड़े क्वांटिटीज़ में. So I have onions, tomatoes, carrot, capsicum and also corn. Just switching on the gas, and I do not add any oil to this. This whole diet is oil free as well. So I'm just going to boil a little bit of water, add jeera, onion, a little bit of ginger garlic paste and a little bit of chili paste, some turmeric and a little bit of pepper, and let that boil while I chop the rest of my veggies. And then I take exactly half a cup of oats and add that. And then I also added the carrots and tomatoes iske pehle, and then I add the oats, and then I add capsicum, corn and coriander, and let it cook for 30 seconds to a minute, and then just take it out on a plate and garnish with some coriander and add lots of lemon juice. I really love the flavor of lemon, especially in oats, and my dinner is ready. Okay, so my dinner is right here. I'm super excited. Not that this is the best thing I've had on earth or something, but diet में ये बहुत अच्छा है. Like out of all the 3 meals that I have today on this diet, ये वाला बहुत yum है because it has a lot of flavors, it has a lot of textures. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and the lime adds a very nice tangy flavor to it, which I really love. मुझे lemon का flavor वैसे भी बहुत पसंद है. So I'm super excited for this now that I'm having it for the first time. 3 दिन से खा रही हूँ, but still let's do a taste test. It's nice. Now if you are someone जिसको बहुत ज़्यादा मसाला पसंद है, you can add garam masala, you can add Maggi masala also, थोड़ा सा Maggi masala. It will elevate the taste, but I don't like garam masala that much, और Maggi masala घर पे है नहीं, इसलिए वरना होता तो मैं थोड़ा सा डाल देती. It would elevate the flavor. Of course, not the best meal, I must say, but ठीक है, for a diet this is a really nice meal. Like it will satisfy your spicy cravings, tangy cravings, वो सारे cravings इससे satisfy हो जाएंगे. So yeah, I really like it. That is what I eat in a day on a diet. This is my last meal. इसके बाद मैं कुछ भी नहीं खाती हूँ. I drink lots of water and just go to sleep. And that is my weight at the end of 10 days. I lost 3 kgs. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys soon in another video. Bye bye.